If you love taking road trips in your Tesla like me, you're going to want to check out this portable refrigerator slash freezer. Notice it comes with a standard 120 volt plug and a 12 volt car adapter plug. The 12 volt plug was more than long enough to run from the center console all the way to the sub trunk in the rear. I just folded down my rear seat, allowing the cord to pass through the back. I was very surprised with the quality and ease of use. The lid is magnetic and shuts properly every time. There are two different energy consumption modes. One is max mode for rapid cooling and eco mode, which consumes no more power than a car GPS. The temperature can be adjusted from -7 degrees to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Ice cream lovers can rejoice with the ability to travel with frozen food. When I first plugged it in, I noticed how fast the temperature dropped in a matter of 10 minutes. By 15 minutes, we were down to 35 degrees. I also want to point out that the fridge will still operate even when the car is asleep. I thought the Tesla would have disabled the 12 volt power supply, but apparently not. This portable refrigerator has a 3-level built-in battery protection feature when running is minimal. I could barely hear it operating with its rating of 45 decibels. You can now take all your favorite snacks and drinks with you on the go while keeping everything properly chilled. Check it out in the link below. I was pleasantly surprised with this product.